What is web page? A web page is a file document generally written in hypertext markup language, HTML, which was accessed through the internet by using web browsers. What is the difference between a website and web page? A website denotes the central location which contains one or more web pages. Now let's see the example. Consider www.amazon.com is a website which contains thousands of different pages, including this web page which you are reading now. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. Before the innovation of the internet, websites didn't remain, in books, published on paper and hardly bound, were our basic source of data. It took a huge amount of force and reading to track down the correct piece of data. Today we can open a web browser and go to your search engine of choice, and search away to find imaginable information rests at our fingertips. So that we are going to see about the first web page here. When was the first web page created? The first web page was discovered by Tim Berners-Lee, who was researcher at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The first web page went live on August 6, 1991. The first web page is used for sharing the documents through the internet by using limited simple text and FTP, file transfer protocol. It is convenient for the workspace and acceptable in browsers. HTML is derived from SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. The term SGML denotes that it is a markup language document and set of tags. It is based on DTD, document type definition. SGML is not a document language, but it is used to define the specific part. It is considered as a metadata. HTML page structure. All HTML documents have a required structure that includes the following declaration and elements. They are less than HTML greater than, less than head greater than, less than body greater than. Inside the less than HTML greater than element, the less than head greater than element identify the top of the document, which includes the metadata information of the page. The content within the less than head greater than element is not displayed on the web page. All the content of the web page was given within the less than body greater than element. Refer below diagram for basic structure. Doc type in HTML. The less than, doc type greater than is declared an HTML document before less than HTML greater than tag. Less than, doc type greater than is not a HTML tag. It is an instruction to the browsers about what version of HTML page. DTD, document type definition, specifies the rules of markup language, because the browser rendered the content correctly. Hence HTML5 is not based on SGML. It does not require reference to DTD. Syntax for less than, doc type greater than declaration. Less than, doc type HTML greater than.